Hi, welcome to NTU e-learning channel. This is IT Leadership Certificate course. In this course, we are going to cover digital business strategy. I am conducting a case study of DBS digital transformation journey. This will be included analysis, key issues, lesson learned, and recommendation to other companies.
Business digitization is changing competitive landscape in the many industries. Banking industry also need to adapt with the digital business strategy. There are no boundaries in the digital banking. With the rapid adoption of internet, e-commerce and mobile phone industry, many customers are turning to use the computer, tablet and mobile phone to interact and transact with the bank. To complete the digital business strategy, DBS Bank developed several related capabilities in areas of leadership skill, agile technology, infrastructure, and skill-level process for digitization operation, design the digitization customer experience, and accelerate the digital innovation.
Begin said, people need banking, not bank. Business digitalization is a changing competitive landscape in the many industries, so banking industry is also no exception. But there are some challenges to pursue a successful digital business strategy. First of all, many banks are weighed down by their legacy IT system and the cumbersome IT processes. Transformation in the business digitalization needs the heavy compliance requirement, but bank has a little capacity to experiment business innovation. Banks on Asia are now on many platforms of competitive from the mobile company and the internet company like the Alibaba. The hidden challenges to pursue a digital business strategy is how to change the employee mindset to be digital, because normally people don't want to change their mind and they want to stay in the comfort zone.
Best practice for pursuing a digital business strategy is still in their infancy, and banks simply respond to new digital threats and opportunities in ad hoc manner, with some organization functionally oriented experience fail to maximize the potential of digital business strategy. A digital business strategy is inherently cross-function and thus requires simultaneous development and reconfiguration of IT and business resources across multiple organizations to succeed. Since Asian markets were diverse in multicultural and multilingual, banks need consistent technology platform across different countries.
The first key lesson learned by DBS Bank was the support of strong leadership needed for a digital business strategy. The senior leadership in DBS and the management structure put in place played a key role in creating the digital mindset, a prerequisite for fusing business and technology strategies. The commitment by the CEO, inclusion of the head of group technology and operation as a key member of the Central Executive Committee, along with keeping senior banking executives up to date with the latest development of digital landscape, makes the people felt that they were part of the process of making a change. Secondly, DBS was building an agile and scalable infrastructure. A modular and agile technology infrastructure enabled subsequent scalability of new initiatives. Example, configurable core banking system, an online and mobile banking platform, which was a strategic capability that contributed to the success of DBS. Lesson learned by DBS was the exploitation of digital information to create new values for customers. The embedding of analytics into decision-making and workflow had enabled DBS to better understand what's happening and draw insights to run a better business and create some amazing customer experiences. One such example is the prediction of ATM usage, which helped to optimize cash reloading schedule at non-peak time. This in turn helps cut ATM cash out and reduces the number of customers affected by cash reloading. Lastly, the continuous navigation of dynamic and emerging digital landscape helped DBS respond to the various sources of digital disruption. The willingness to experiment and explore new digital frontier to create new strategic options for the future helped DBS to adapt dynamically when opportunity or threats arose. One example was DBS PayLah, which was a strategic response to the emergence of mobile peer-to-peer payment services that sought to cut out bank as the middleman.
Recommendation for other banks. Before embarking on a digital journey, individual bank needs to be very clear of their own core capabilities, what they want to be known for, which consumer segment are they targeting at, how digital strategy can strengthen their business, how to embrace fintech's influence on financial services. Simply focusing on front end where customers interact with the bank through the use of web application and mobile application is only a cosmetic fix. The bank can consider the next step, that is, a full digital consumer interface with the back end. This digital strategy can give significant cost saving as well as helping the bank adapt quickly to any changes that comes. Changes such as the gaining popularity of cryptocurrency, which includes the use of bitcoins and Ripple for transactions. Of course, individual bank will have a different sets of core capabilities, and each bank may need to consider their own readiness for a full digital transformation.
To conclude, this digital business strategy really works well with DBS Bank, which has a comprehensive roadmap for their future business. However, there is no one-size-fits-for-all solution for other banks. The success of a digital business depends on its geography, whether is it developing or developed countries, debit or non-debit based economy, spending or saving habits of people. We hope you can learn something about digital business strategy. Have a nice day. See you.